बेकायदेशीर जमीन हस्तांतरण प्रकरणान SIT कडेन आनीक एक कागाळ आयल्या. आदवोगाद आयरिश रॉड्रिग्स हाणें मांद्रेचो आमदार जित आरोलकारा आड बेकायदेशीर जमीन हडप करपाच्या प्रकरणान SIT कडेन कागाळ नोंद केल्या. दारगळ वाठारांतली 1.48 लाख चौखण मीटर जमीन बेकायदेशीरपणान विकिल्ल्याचो जिताचेर आरोप आसा.
And the complaint is against now Mandre MLA, Mr. Jit Arolkar. My client is a co-owner of a property at measuring 1,48,800 square meters at Dargal, which has been illegally grabbed by Jit Arolkar. And in this property, Jit Arolkar has made around 200 plots and sold it to various persons. He has done all these illegalities as he over the last few years has been enjoying political patronage. I have also drawn the attention of the SIT. Besides grabbing my client's 1,48,800 square meters, Jit Arolkar has also grabbed land in the adjoining property bearing survey number 498, which I am told belongs to a widow, Mrs. Shetye by name. Now, I have given all these documents to the SIT. It is for the SIT to examine this mega scam, because I have also drawn the attention of the SIT that Jit Arolkar had joined as a constable in the year 2000, and within less than a decade he resigned from service, possibly because he was doing a lot of money already in these land scams. I have also given the SIT a copy of the affidavit which Jit Arolkar had filed before the returning officer at this year's assembly elections. That affidavit was shown by Jit Arolkar on January 28th. A very perusal of that affidavit shows the mind-boggling wealth that Jit Arolkar has acquired beyond his known source of income. So all this needs to be investigated.